Today will be more of a nature video. I've been promised exciting things with wombats, koalas, and who knows what else. Good morning and welcome to Wagga Wagga. It's a bit of a different temperature here this morning. I think it's 2 degrees and I'm out helping to walk a dog, Trixie. There's even more.
Follow the scent, Trixie. Lead us to the echidna.
Gosh, that's a big one. Echidnas are powerful diggers known for digging holes. They dig for ants and termites and also to create burrows for shelter and protection.
See, pushing its snout around and trying to find ants. And it's now gone crazy. Here you're going to see wombat is at Livingstone National Park, which is, I suppose, 20 minutes away from here.
Just over there, you're probably not sure if you can see in the camera, but that's Lake Albert. They don't run away in a hurry, eh? They're obviously used to people walking up this track.
Oh, so used to people.
Yeah. You see them? Who's looking at who?
I was like, you can't see me. I'm hiding in a bush. No, we can't see you. Yeah, my mum encouraged me to do voluntary work with animals, and she was like, look, if you want to work with animals, you're going to have to do voluntary work.
Wagga views on a cold, fresh winter morning. I believe the Sturt University is over there, which I think I might be able to have a walk through later. That apparently is a snake track, which we're not going to walk up today. We're going to go this way.
Oh, Trixie. Bring it with you then. Oh, that didn't work.
Oh, please.
Yeah!
Wagga Wagga is apparently known for its potholes. And there's plenty of them.
Oh, yeah, you want to go right.
Where are we going here?
You're going to go right.
Right.
You probably don't want Keith Urban playing. So we've got 73 horses here at the uni at the moment that are just used for research and teaching. This campus teaches vet science as well as equine and agriculture, and it's a very animal-based campus. We should see some fistulated cows. So it is basically an access to the rumen where they put in bags of things. All of these cows have it. If you can see that green building there, that is the aviary that I got them to do.
How do you say it? Marrambidya Wetlands.
Yeah.
There may be snakes, mosquitoes, spiders and long grass in this area to support a functioning ecosystem. Healing place. So there's 4 different ponds in here. the goanna.
So there's actually a water treatment facility over there, and this is like an overrun.
Stories of the wetland.
Behaving a little bit like a woodpecker, which we don't have here.
A nest
business
box.
out of it.
See
So
that there?
they 3D print them. Apparently. They all come in different sections and they put the parts together. They've got like some kind of thermal regulation, and so they're all around this wetland basically.
Here's another one of those nest boxes up there. The scar tree. The removal of bark or wood has been utilised for many purposes because bark was a versatile and plentiful material. Other forms of tree wounding include deliberate marking such as tree carving, removal of wood for artefact manufacture. The existence of scar trees is one of the visible forms in which we see Aboriginal people, their ongoing heritage and cultural connection to the land. That's the same thing, but you can just listen to it. So how does that work?
To the message, please.
There you go. Keep going.
Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's a squirrel glider. These beautiful native nocturnal marsupials get their name due to their distinctive membrane of skin stretching between their front.
Ah, right, here's the pelican's partner. What's this? A teepee. It's a campsite. Most campsites were near water because that is when the most food was to be found. The campsite was left when the food supply ran low. Aboriginal weapons. Now that apparently is called a yarning circle. Yarn, you know, like sit around and have a yarn.
This is basically an area where they will dance.
So this one is actually a corroboree, an event where Aborigines interact with Dreamtime through dance, music and song. Maybe that's the yarning circle because it's smaller. I'm really lucky to have a companion who is quite knowledgeable about this area. There's the bright green Jeep. That is my vehicle for today. Can hardly miss it. And tonight we're hoping to catch some more footage of koalas and wombats.
So turn left at this roundabout. So at the end of this road, you're going to see a massive building, and that's where I've spent a lot of time recently. So I will film this ugly hospital. The funny thing is I literally said to somebody the week before I got diagnosed, I've never been in that hospital.
head off
Yeah,
because we kind of need to get that going. Heading out to Narrandera, which is about an hour's drive and 97 kilometres.
I can't actually see them on this camera because they're quite far away.
There's a bunch of silos just here. All sizes, there's 3 sizes. Small, medium, large.
Now I can see them.
We spotted some water and I'm going to check this out. It's so still you can see clear reflection in the water. Absolutely stunning. We're driving out to a place called Narrandera where we're hoping to see the wildlife that I've been promised. And on the way there's this beautiful stream. So this is a place called Grong Grong. This is beautifully, well, apart from this truck now, I don't know if you can hear that. Don't know if you can see at the top of that tree there. There's a few parrots around here. No, are they called cockatoos or parrots? I don't know, let me know in the comments. Stunning. Look at that. This is the Marrambidya River. And we're nearly in Narrandera and we're just outside of the last place I stopped, which was Grong Grong. I wonder what all the tyres are about. We're having a slight problem figuring out the kitty locks on this green Jeep. We are now at the Koala Walk and Reserve. This Koala Walk is a great spot to see koalas in the wild. It's a 2.2 kilometre return track and one of the best places in New South Wales to spot them in the wild. It's a stunning evening and this walk is extremely beautiful. The contrast of the brown tree trunks, the red dirt and the mirrored river is quite an experience to walk through.
The fact of coming across snakes and things like that,
Oh,
like
yeah.
I wouldn't normally, there's no way I'd do this without Lindsay.
Well, I'm miles in front of you, so it doesn't really matter, but yeah.
So I wandered off and then of course there was
The Wiradjuri people are the first inhabitants of the area and have been living here for thousands of years. So as you've probably guessed, we're walking along the Koala Trail now, hoping to find a koala or two, maybe. The reserve is home to over 200 koalas, descendants of an early koala translocation project.
And they could be anywhere up the tree, at any point. Unless they used to
Lunch on the run.
here,
Oh my gosh, we found one. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Oh.
I'm so relieved.
Narrandera's koala colony is being studied as part of the $190 million New South Wales koala strategy as a model for how to re-establish populations. The main canal for the Marrambidya irrigation area originates 34 kilometres east of Narrandera. Koalas are primarily arboreal, meaning they live in trees. They are most active at night. They can be found throughout the trees at any time of the day. That's the first koala I've seen in the wild. So there is about a 2.5 kilometre walk that way. We've turned around now. Hope we find some more. We're heading back to the green Jeep.
He's better to see from there.
I can't. Oh, got him now. Yeah. Must be him there.
Got him?
I think so. Yeah.
He doesn't look like he's really...
And our second koala for today.
No.
There he is. You can actually see him eating, I think. They sleep and rest for a significant portion of the day, about 18 to 20 hours, to conserve their energy for digesting their low nutrition diet of eucalyptus leaves.
Oh, okay. I better take another photo.
The sounds of the birds settling in for the night.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there is 4.
They've just lifted their heads up.
I know. They're very cute. There's another one up here, guys. Let me put an arrow out for these guys.
We're back at the car park now. It's on the verge of darkness and it's the perfect time now to go wombat spotting. We decided to head into town first though to get some dinner. So we are now in, I've forgotten how to say it, Narrandera. I hope that's correct. And here's just some footage of the main street. It is just on dusk, so the lighting is quite pretty. Narrandera, that's how I should say it, I think. Narrandera. That's a nighttime view of Wagga's post office, and over the road is the Royal Mail Hotel, which opened in 1878. It was reopened in 1889 as a large brick building with verandas on both levels. In a late Victorian style with decorative cast iron posts and balustrades. It's a well-presented example of interwar classical architecture. The building represents the era of civic pride in which it was built and has become a town landmark. The post office building was set up in 1859, where the CBC Bank building was built in 1884. The building was erected in 1885 at a cost of £4,364. They shall not grow old. And that building is Council Chambers. It originally served as the town hall, municipal offices and seat of local government. In 1999 it was converted into the Museum of the Riverina. So another thing that Wagga Wagga is known for is the Chico roll. It made its debut in Wagga Wagga in 1951. It's apparently a favourite Australian snack and it's pretty much a spring roll on steroids maybe. It's a more robust version of the spring roll. Now I know we're not in Wagga Wagga because that is where this Chico roll was invented. That was close enough. It's not too bad.
Hello! Can anybody see
Can we
us?
put that light on maybe for a bit? There we go.
We are in my Jeep and it's broken down. And we're on the side of the road near Narrandera, like 3 kilometres out. And yeah, it's broken.
But don't worry,
Because
have
we've
New
got-
Zealand chocolate.
It's upside down.
Upside down. But we have more. We've already eaten one cake, but here's another cake. Oh, and here's another cake. But wait, there's even more.
Oh, that's hilarious.
And we've got music.
We have music.
We do. Yeah, so that's where we're at right now. Lisa's the only one that can be seen. The reason we're playing Kenny
Yeah.
is because a guy just came over and he looked like Kenny Rogers. So we decided to put that on. He's the only person who stopped in the last hour or so that we've been here.
It's great fun.
Well,
It's for a reason, to spend special memories together.
Exactly. In Narrandera, 4 kilometres out of Narrandera.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, ladies.
Bye. He's got facial here. He's got a bit of a
Oh,
tail.
so I'm going to go behind now, okay?
I'm having flashbacks to my electric car running out of electricity. So this beautiful green Wrangler is getting about 3 kilometres away from the garage.
I expected you not to go.
Not quite.
So where are you from?
I live in Queensland and you're visiting from New Zealand.
And I used to live in New Zealand.
Yep.
And then before that I was in Winnipeg and Canada, and then before that I was in
Oh wow.
So this
Been
is my
everywhere.
4th country.
Yeah.
So, what time did you actually leave? Was it pretty much
How long have we been waiting there?
how long did you actually